coming in. Hello, hello. It is very nice to see you. Welcome to the ASMR OBGYN clinic. My name is Lee, and I'm going to be the one doing your annual exam today. It looks like that's what we have you on the schedule for. Perfect. All right. Well, I am just going to run through your chart here. We'll go over your medical history, and then I'll explain the steps of the annual exam of kind of what you can anticipate. I believe this is your first one, correct? All right, excellent. So, before we get started, are there any medical conditions that you have that I should be made aware of? Okay. And do you take any prescription medications, over-the-counter supplements, vitamins? Okay. As far as surgical history, have you ever had any surgeries? Anytime you ever went under anesthesia? And do you know what year that was in or how old you were? Okay, very good. And then what was the second one? Okay. All right. And then, other than that, no other reported ones, right? Okay. Have you ever smoked cigarettes, vape, hookah, anything like that, whether current or former? And do you drink any alcohol at all? And how often would that be? So pretty rare. Okay. Now, as far as family history, anyone with close to you with a history of breast, ovarian, or uterine cancer? And is that on mom or dad's side? Do you know roughly how old they were? Okay. And then what about cervical, colon cancer? Okay. All right. Now, as far as your relationship status, are you single, married, in a committed, relationship? And have you ever been sexually active at all in the past? And were they with male partners, female partners, both? And when you were sexually active, were you using any forms of protection? Okay. And have you ever been tested in the past for sexually transmitted infections? Okay. But currently, as far as like prescription birth control, or even over the counter, like taking an occasional emergency contraceptive like Plan B, any recent use of any of those? Okay. And have you ever been pregnant before? Okay. And when was the first day of your last menstrual period? All right, very good. That is all I need as far as the history taking goes. Now, as far as the annual exam, an annual at the OBGYN consists of 3 parts. We're going to be doing a breast exam just to make sure we don't feel any concerning lumps or masses. Then we're going to do what we call an abdominal exam, where I just press on your abdomen. And the last part is when we do what we call a pelvic exam, which is exactly what it sounds like, examining your pelvis. We're going to be taking an outside look at the area of your vulva and your labia, just to make sure we don't see any suspicious moles or lesions. And then what we'll do next is take a speculum, which is the name of a device that we insert vaginally so that we can see the inside of the vagina. Basically, we're making sure the vagina looks healthy while also noting your cervix, which is another organ that sits in the back of the vagina. And then while we are there, since you've never had one, we will be doing a pap smear, which is the name of a test for cervical cancer screening. While we are doing that, would you like me to add any additional STI screening? Sure. And then once that all the swabs are collected and the pap is done, we'll be removing the speculum. And the last part of the exam is just when I put some lubricant on my gloves and make sure that you're not having any tenderness or that I don't feel any cysts or masses where your ovaries are located. Does that all sound okay? All right. And yeah, I'll definitely just walk you through the whole thing. So with that being said, I'm just going to get your vital signs first, and then we'll go ahead with the examination. Perfect. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so let me just put some sanitizer on here. And I am just going to get your blood pressure first. Loosen that a little bit. If you want to, we'll just slide your arm through there. There you go. Okay. Does that feel nice and tight? Okay. Okay, just give me 1 second here if you don't mind. Alrighty, blood pressure is normal. Let me just take a bit off. Let me disconnect you here. Okay. So blood pressure looks good. Let me loosen this. Alright, and then just slide your arm out. There you go. Next up is just a temperature check, and then we'll set up your room here for the annual. This is going to go right underneath your tongue. Okay, temperature is normal. I am just going to sanitize this. Then I'll walk you through the next steps here. Gonna throw this away. All right. Sanitize. Alright, just gonna write down your vitals here. Do you know how tall you are? Okay. Perfect. Alrighty, so I am going to be leaving you kind of already are laying on it here, with a blue gown. You can either keep your shirt on and just take off your bra, or you can just place this gown on and you'll tie it in the front just for the breast exam component. At the end of your bed here, I'm going to include a white sheet. You'll just get undressed from the waist down completely, and you'll want to take the sheet and just kind of lay it over your lap. Try not to wrap yourself with it. And then for our examinations, let me just set up this bedside table here. So for that, of course, we'll be using gloves. There are various size speculums available, so they can come in various widths as well as lengths, because no two vaginas are exactly the same. So we'll usually start with the smaller one, and if we have to change the size, we'll let you know. And then for the annual, before you get undressed, if you wouldn't mind just leaving a pee sample in case we end up needing it. So I'll leave this by your bedside table here. And then we are going to get a pap specimen container. And then the pap brushes for the pap smear. And then since you wanted STI screening as well, we've got our swab for that. We'll get a couple swabs just in case we need to clear off any of the discharge, and then we have the lubricant already on hand there. All right, I think your room and table is all set up here. I'm going to give you some privacy, and then we'll be back in shortly to do your exam. All right, I'm coming back in. We are going to start first with just a breast exam. So let me just put my gloves on here. So we are going to start with the breast exam. Let me know at any point if you get uncomfortable. I am just going to unfasten this here. Okay. So I'm just going to remove this side only first, and we'll start with the breast exam. And please let me know if anything I do causes you pain. Do you mind lifting this arm just for a second? Okay, very good. Let me get that side covered up for you, and then do this one. Can you lift this arm for me? Okay. I'm not feeling anything suspicious. I'm not seeing any nipple discharge or asymmetry. So that is all good. Let me just get you tied up again here just for some privacy. And thank you for leaving that urine sample. The MAs did get that. You're not having any urinary symptoms today, right? Yep, like burning when you pee, peeing more often than you normally do, that sort of thing. Okay, just making sure. Now I am just going to kind of move over the bottom part of your gown here just for the abdominal exam. I am just going to do like a general inspection first. Okay, I'm just going to press down here. No pain, right? Good. Do a little bit of percussion. Okay, good. And you haven't been noticing any pelvic discomfort or pain outside of being here today, right? Okay, awesome. Now for the pelvic exam, I'm just going to help you get situated just down by where the stirrups are. So let me help you out here. So let's see. Okay. I do think you're far down enough here. You doing okay? Okay, good. So you kind of already have a light going on in the background just for the general inspection. So for this part, nothing is getting inserted. You are just going to feel my gloves on the outside. Yep, exactly. Let me know if you ever need to take a break. You'll feel glove here and here. And not having any pain when I'm pressing on your outer area here. Good. General inspection, everything looks super healthy. I'm not seeing any suspicious moles or lesions. All right, the next part is going to be the pelvic exam. So we're going to, of course, start with the smaller speculum here. I'm going to put some lubricant right here. All right, now you're going to be feeling, it's probably going to be cold from the lube a little bit, okay? But just some internal pressure. Yep, pressure up on your bladder as well. Okay, cervix looks great. Now I'm going to do your PAP. Just as a heads up, at the ASMR OBGYN clinic, PAPs are way longer than what is actually done in real time, okay? So, something to remember. All right, we'll go in with the first brush here. Make sure we're getting enough cervical cells. Okay. We'll go in with the second brush called a spatula. Okay, very good. What we're going to do is we are just going to mix those together. That's what it looks like. All right. I'll put the cover on here. All of that normally happens when the speculum's taken out. Now we'll take out the speculum here. You are doing great so far. Are you feeling okay? Good. All right. Let me do that STI swab real quick. Just the swab here, not the spec. Okay. So we'll send that out. And the last part here, I'm just going to put a little bit of lubricant on my gloves. You let me know if anything that I do causes discomfort, okay? No pain, right? Perfect. I'm not feeling any enlargements or masses. All right, let me get you covered up there. You are all done with your annual exam today. I should hopefully have the PAP results back in a couple days. I'll send you a message through the portal if it's normal. If it's not, of course, I'll give you a call. Same thing with the STI screening that we added to your annual today. But do you have any questions for me at all? Everything seems pretty straightforward. Perfect. All right, very good. Well, I am going to give you some privacy to get dressed. It was nice meeting you, and the girls will see you at checkout. You are so welcome. Have a good day.